Oh hey, it's Faye. How'd you get in here? Well, since you're here, you might as well see what it is I do before I film this plus-size chubby girl clothing haul from Japan. Their words, not mine. Introducing Billie and their new body care products, now available in Walmart. Also, thank you Billie for sponsoring today's video because we all know we need this. I need extra purifying today to cleanse the hate watchers. Rid my skin of judgment. Hehe. No, seriously, with Billie's Detox Purifying Body Wash enriched with super greens and green tea. I said green tea. It revives and renews my skin like magic. I feel like a snake shedding old into new. And look how bouncy this is. It lathers so softly on my skin. You won't believe there's spinach and kale in this to rebalance and clarify your baby butt skin. Also, this smells delicious. Well, now that we're squeaky clean, but not like a raisin. We don't like that. It's all done up. This is my new favorite thing. Billie's AAH deodorant. Now listen, Linda. Before I film my hauls, I put a massive load of deodorant on because I'm sweating. Always sweating. Because I tell you, this has potent acids and no aluminum, and it kills my natural stinky odor that builds bacteria at the source. Yeah, she believed, so she did. Is that the same? If I'm being completely honest with you, I use this because it combats my ingrown hairs and discoloration. I break out under my pits like crazy, and there's cystic acne breakouts, and that stems from ingrown hair growth. So it's the fact that I'm using something to break up the odor and help control the ingrown hairs, all from Walmart. I'm just saying, go get it before it flies off the shelf. You can also try the all-day deodorant. It's actually a couple dollars less, which I like, and it absorbs all the wetness your body spits out. Meaning, and put this under my tatas too. No shame. When something works, it just works. The best thing that I've noticed about this deodorant, unlike others, it doesn't cake. Trust me, girl, when it's 87 degrees outside, the last thing I want to do is raise the roof and have bundled up skin tag like deodorant balls rolled up smiling, announcing their presence. I'm speaking from experience. We were driving home and I had a certain deodorant on with my arms up in the car just having fun, and my boyfriend looks over and says,
"Do you have skin tags under your armpit?"
If only I have met you, because it doesn't kick out. There's a 24-hour protection plan with complete odor control and aluminum and baking soda free. Thank you, Billie, for saving my summer and designing a body care collection to support womankind and our womanly needs. Get this now at Walmart, walmart.com, or the link is in my bio to try the new era of body care by Billie. Now that we smell good as well, and I'm so smooth, it is time for the haul. So tell me why it took me almost 3 months to get these items from Japan. But not just any kind of items. These are plus size clothing. It's like I flew over them myself. Japanese people call plus size clothes chubby girl clothes. Large size, and the best one yet, queen size. Girl, we out here as mattresses. So this is the first top, and it's supposed to be this very cute strawberry blouse cherry top. And let me read the name of this top. Large size ladies. I didn't expect it to be like literally printed on. In Japan, a 2L, which is considered plus size over there, translates to a medium, large, 8 to 10, big size, chubby girl size. And I don't like it. So I really had to like scoop these girls up. It's nice that it kind of embodies your ribcage. It squeezes your guts, and it kind of holds the girls upward. That's something nice that we don't have to work for. Thank you, that was free. It came with the shirt. And then we have a few crucial points of scrunching. The boobie line, the wrist, and now this is the interesting part. Right in the boobie trap of your inner elbow gum. You know, like this part where you kind of get like a little bit chunky. It grows. That happens to me. Like I noticed my weight gain right here. I'm surprised that there's some scrunchiness right in that area to give you a little bit more movement. I can see how it is very like, oh, kawaii desu. I'm sorry. Feminine. Back is all scrunched, which is a good thing. It gives us room to get into it, except there was not a lot of room for me to get into it. And don't tell me I messed up this time. I did the proper size conversion. I translated everything to English. I measured myself. I used a third party to get these clothes from Japan for 3 months, and I paid a mula that I don't have. I actually bought a lot more clothing items than this haul entails. Everything kept getting lost in translation, literally, and out of stock. But I'm not gonna waste a 3-month wait, lots of money on shipping, to not film this haul. So here we are. It's a little pricey, honestly, Japanese clothes. It's a little thin for my liking. Of course, these cherries and little mini polka dots were printed on, but I don't want that to be their first thought when they see this top. Screen print. I appreciate the feminine neckline, the little like lettuce lace ruffling bow here in the middle. I just think the quality could have been better. Could have been more juicy. Also, I just don't know if this is my style. It makes me feel a little bit like too young, a little too childish. You look like a 15-year-old. I'm almost 30, like I said. I'm sad because I'm not gonna go through the returning process. It is too much for me and my wallet to handle. So you guys know where to check if you want to get this for way cheaper. Our first Japanese item, I'm not impressed. So I understand this haul might be a little bit underwhelming. There's not a lot of variety. I forgot to mention the brand. Lside. I'm seeing this reoccurring pattern already. I'm only on piece 2. The scrunchie on the back. This little scrunch part. Because it has that little scrunch, it's considered plus size. This is nothing new in Asia. Usually if there's extra elastic band, usually if there's a scrunch, it's plus size. But is it? Nothing wrong. In this really pretty cream color. The fabric is a little bit better than cherry top. Wow. Dyslexia has a little bit more structure to it. Again, I'll take 2 scoops. It holds. That's one thing I really like so far. The square neck, which is very flattering for girls like me. It's just way too long on the sleeves. Like, hello? This whole scrunch thing is a fraud. It doesn't actually like come close to my wrist. They may just say that I have tiny wrists. Kind of just dangles around like this. It feels like a mop. It feels like the 1800s. There's not a lot of structure on the belly area either. Just see me flapping and flailing. So yeah, the Tootsie Rolls are definitely out. Do we like that? Not for the money we paid. Should I take my hair down? I mean, they do have sizes all the way up to 5L in Japan, which means 4XL in the States. Compared to like our luck with Yes Style, this is a little bit more accurate and it fits. At least the sizes are consistent here. Japan's doing something right, giving us a little bit of hope. I don't think it's a bad top. I'm just not a huge fan of the sleeves itself. What am I gonna do with you? Kind of feel like I'm in a nightgown or like a scarecrow. I'm not trying to look sleepy or scary. We're trying to look kawaii-des. We're trying to look like people ski us. I took 4 years of Japanese in high school and I learned nothing. I want to feel a part of Japan. I want to feel watashi wa fei desu. Dozo yoroshiku, watashi wa suki gohan desu. Right? Homie will be teaching me something. So far, are we underwhelmed? I feel like we could have done better, but there was very limited resources. I'll try harder next time. What do we think? Do you see this reoccurring pattern? There's nothing like significant to this, except this one has like an old lady touch to it. This gives the same energy as a garment for a doll when you dress them up in a little nightgown. There's a 2-point way of wearing this shirt. I don't know why they emphasize this so heavily, but you can wear this on the shoulder, not a shot, or off the shoulder, also not a shot. Miss Japanese Girly Pop, she wore one on and off the sleeve shoulder. It feels almost costumey. It has the nice little scrunch all over now, so of course we can classify that as plus size. In the middle here, it mocks up a little bow mimic. It makes you look like you're looking at a big bow, but it's really just your chesty besties struggling, starving. And again, that little rag pattern exudes down here. It feels old-fashioned. It feels off the peg. Let's give it some grace though. Maybe because we don't have the whole ensemble on, I need to be wearing different pants, different shoes to make it really feel kawaii-des. Right now, it just feels very casual outfit. Yes. So for the tops alone that we've tried, it gives off a very what's the term? Non-classical 1800s finery to the max, but low quality, low budget. It just doesn't have the riz. This color choice, I've just never tried anything with an expired grape color look before, so I went for it and I feel dual. My body should be gray in this. I feel like I should be laid to rest. Let's be a positive poly here. At least there's a little like A-line moment, kind of, with this dagger pattern lace shootout. What? I meant frill. That's all I meant. Kind of gives you a little peplum moment. It's a nice decorative touch, a decorative trim to the top. Band, whatever they're using, is constructed in a way where you are kind of like cutting your stomach. I think it's a good thing. It shoves it all in and it kind of gives you like a waist. Maybe? I just don't feel vibrant. And next. Look at this chubby size cardigan. In the world of plus size in Asia, anything elastic and scrunched, plus size. An oversized cardigan, chubby size. So here we are. I kind of look like I'm about to go to book club with the moms in this neighborhood, no offense. No, seriously, the way she wore it, she was so cute and tiny. This just fits. It's supposed to have this roomy fit for us, but no, it's nothing to go crazy for, you know? The knit floral is like super cute. And also, by the way, guys, I just launched plus size tops. I don't know where you guys are, but my 1XL to 3XL girlies, where are you? On thatsashop.com. A classic block top that has a corset tracing that's just super stretchy and flexible and like comfortable. Hello? Excuse me? Where are you? What is happening? It's good that we're exploring plus size options because you know what? Foreigners who are moving to Japan and Korea should know this. And for the love of Asian styling, we're trying it on a realistic body here in America. Besides the 3D pops of the floral design, there's nothing much more interesting about this cardigan. Say goodbye. I hate that I've been anticipating shopping this haul for almost 4 months just to feel very disappointed. Even this cardigan, there was no model in it. The picture alone made it look so much bigger. Again, this is a free size, one size cardigan. I at least thought this cardigan I was gonna fall in love. I mean, look at the detailing of the buttons. And then it's so cute because it has like cute little patchwork. Look at this cute his smile. Oh, that's weird. It's this rich cobalt blue color. It's gorgeous. It pops. It's like a diamond in the rough, except you're still in the rough, girl. Might be the ensemble I have on right now is just not going with the outfit, but you wouldn't expect you could just throw on a cardigan and make your outfit look, right? We have this twisted knitting going on around the sleeves. Front facing, back facing. No, not back here. Quality is present in the room. To my dismay, I am regretting my decision. It was a struggle to find plus size online shopping. I used a third party to order from them and then ship to me. So I was very limited with my options. And then again, a lot of things got refunded because they were all out of stock. Because they didn't get it on time. Bye, Japan. I'm talking about you, bye. I don't want to wear something and feel distressed. This doesn't make me feel warm and happy and purposeful. I feel sad in this. You can call me sadness. For a cardigan that considers itself free size, I feel like this is too close fitting to me. I'm a little irritated because it feels simple, but it feels a little too close knitted to me. No pun intended. I'm very disappointed. And that is it for the entirety of this haul. Very underwhelming. I'm so sorry. I too was hyped up for this chubby girl clothing haul. This is what we get. Regret. Have fun snooping around. If you want it, you can have it. Maybe I'll have better luck next time looking for queen size clothes from Japan. Let me know where you guys want me to shop next, and until next time, bye.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights.